Today is day 8 of 30 days of AI coding challenge. Yesterday, we published UI with the LinkedIn post generator using the themes. We added the styling, we added the sidebars, right? But today we are going to make a chat box, a chat bot with where you type a message at the bottom, right? Like a WhatsApp, and it will show you above as a chat bubble, just like WhatsApp or any messenger or even the ChatGPT. So instead of seeing the result below the input, right, which you provided last time in the LinkedIn Post Generator app, now you will see that in the chat style interface. Okay, this is the look of chat app, and the real AI magic will definitely come later. Okay, let's start with the demo. You can see now, like we have a chat element is there for the day 8, right? You can see this is kind of a chat board is there. You can type the message here. We have a place to type it. Let's suppose I can type something. Hi, this is Sudeep Kumar, data engineering career mentor and all. Okay, see, we message something, we type something, and we got the reply. Hey, you just said this is Sudeep Kumar, an engineering mentor and author. I don't have memory yet. Okay. So we got the reply from the bot. This is what he mentioned. So this is just a interface for the chat bot, and rest all things will come in place in future next days. This is how the app looks like. Now, let's make sure you complete the all previous days challenges before starting for the day 8. Okay, let's start with the chat bot and understand what exactly is there in the coding. Okay, so for the day 8, what is the additional things are there that you need to learn today? Okay, so additional piece of code is this. Okay, so st.chat underscore message. So this is the one which really can help you to show the message by the user. Okay, so this is just a message like chat underscore message, and you can see this is it's shown, right? It means the user, this is the user is telling this thing. Okay, and when assistants, okay, the assistant is telling this. Okay, to show this line and this chart, we used this thing. See, bar chart 10, 20, 30, 40. This is the data, and Streamlit is a home. So this is what he mentioned over there. Apart from that, you see st.chat underscore input. This is where you see the place to mention something, right? You type something. So this particular element, right? Typing some message that user can type. This is what the st.chat underscore input, right? So we can type something, and whatever prompt will be assigned that. And same way, we also mentioned that if something is mentioned by the user, if after this, if we mention something, okay, so it will repeat the same. Okay, so how we need to show that? So chat underscore message, the user, okay, means the icon, and then it will write that prompt as it is. So you see, it wrote that prompt as it is, which I have provided, and it will also the assistant will reply that you just said this prompt, okay, and also I don't have any memory. So whatever it's applying using this chat underscore message. All right, these are the two additional things that we learned today. Cool. Let's start with the app and create it, okay, from the scratch. So we go to day 7, click on duplicate, open, paste, and here you go. Okay, you can see this is ready. This is very simple. Nothing is additional, nothing complex. This very static message is provided, and based on the input, it will show the result. Cool. One more point I would like to add over here, that in the day 8, you would have seen now that it's not storing the history, right? So if I rerun it again, refresh it again, see, history is gone. Correct? Why this is happening? This is happening because we are not providing and maintaining the history for the messages in the Streamlit. We'll try to fix this in the next future days of the challenge. We learned today that how we can create a chat style interface. We can display the messages in the chat bubbles. We can create how we created a input a text box at the bottom, right? So try different chat messages in your app and comment done once you are done with the day 8. And tomorrow we will make chat a bot where we can store more messages and we can maintain the history and it will stay on the screen and AI will respond. Okay. If you really want to see more of my videos, please do like the video and subscribe the channel and do share with your friends. This is Sudeep Kumar signing off. Good day. Take care. Bye bye.